We should normalize using songs we actually like in our rants instead of the overused ones.
Despite your popularity, you got...
Okay, the third most number of votes to stay.
No! Don't you think you'll be happy when you left the exit?
The exit is full.
Well, you fell from grace, so you'll be our befitting contestant. A loser by name, a loser by nature, so guess what, loser?